Wouldn't start this year earlier because the fuel lines have become brittle and cracked, so I went on and replaced them. But now it definitely won't start. The last time I had it apart, I took apart the carburetor and I took an air nozzle to it and started blowing it out pretty carelessly, and I remember blowing out and destroying the kind of paper diaphragm inside the carburetor. I kind of just sealed it all back up, didn't think much of it. It did start and run and got rid of a fallen tree over in my yard for me, which was great. And since then, that time, I didn't use it. You know, I got a few rotten trees out in the back that I want to get rid of. So I looked at all the options of replacing the gaskets and diaphragm inside the carburetor, and I also looked at just buying a brand new one. And honestly, it wasn't much more money to just buy a brand new one. For the price I paid with this, you know, well worth it, I guess. So I guess next is to see whether it fits. This is just your regular $20 Amazon special. Yeah, let's get to it. So this is just going to be a quick comparison side by side on what the differences are. So this is your cheapy Amazon replica. This is your genuine Walbro unit. This one's still got the gasket on it, but I'm going to put the new gasket on that. Kind of looks like that. So I was kind of careless last time. I took this all off and blew it all out, but I also destroyed the diaphragm in there. So there we go. Little bit of a difference there. I got it running! Hell yeah!
Okay guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.